Is Microsoft Office crashing because of the Microsoft Office Interop Excel Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Get the professional Microsoft Office Interop Excel library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Microsoft Office Interop Excel library, a specialized interop library that allows .NET applications, CEs, to programmatically control Microsoft Excel. It is a mandatory requirement for older automated bookkeeping and ERP tools to export data. If missing, the app will crash, citing a COM component initialization failure. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Because Microsoft Office Interop Excel Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft Office Interop Excel library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. A quick warning, many sites offering Microsoft Office Interop Excel Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Microsoft Office Interop Excel Library configuration concepts. To keep Microsoft Office Interop Excel Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.